This is what you have to remember. Pinatawag kami doon, sinabi niya December 4, December 16, and in all those other TV interviews, radio interviews, that he said immunity. This is the reason we can sue him. Wala siyang parliamentary immunity when he said all those things. And then he called us, and then he sent us our invites on January 28th. He said we were Pogo and narco vloggers without any single shred of evidence. Kasi gusto niya. Kasi he has impunity. He feels like he can do it. Kaya niyang sabihin yan about us. Kaya niyang sabihin yan about you. So, we're suing him kasi gusto namin ma-realize ng mga fellow Filipinos natin that, you know, someday, we are the first, but we will not be the last. Kami ngayon, but someday, you will refer to our case against him. Because this is the first in history, this is the first in Philippine history, that a group of people, a group of vloggers are suing, we're suing a congressman because he felt like he could just get away with ruining our reputations. Personally, you cannot get away with ruining our reputations. Hindi pwedeng ganun. Patunayan mo. Now, if mapatunayan mo, kasuhan mo kami. Patunayan mo muna. Since we do not have the power to say that to you in the HR, if you call us during the hearing, then we're going to the court so that the court tells you to prove to them that we are narco vloggers, Pogo vloggers. You prove it to them and you prove it to the world that we are narco vloggers and Pogo vloggers. And then, bahala na ang korte. Kung hindi mo mapatunayan, then you'll be imprisoned, I guess. And Kathy Bina will also sue you for so much. She's going to sue you because she's the one with money. So anyway, pag hindi mo napatunayan, then I'm so sorry, you'll also go to jail the way, you know, regular people who lie and slander other people go to jail. So to my fellow Filipinos, this is not just for us. Kasi totoo lang, it's easy to fold. It is. It is easy to shut up. Like, for example, tinatakot-takot kami. Like, for example, my family would say, tumigil ka na nga lang, ano ba nakukuha mo? Wala. I don't know. I don't know ano nakukuha ko kasi sa puso ko, I feel the need to fight. I see Duterte who's 80 years old, still fighting. I see people lining up outside PGH. Alam mo yun, every day you want to give up kasi wala ka naman talagang nakukuha. And for some reason, God reminds you, or your fellow Filipinos remind you that you were given a voice for a reason. So that's why we fight. Because for some reason, we're here, we have voices, and the right way to use that voice is, you know, we have to fight for what's right. So, yun lang sasabihin ko, na ano ba sasabihin ko? Yun lang. Okay, so Ace Barbers, you wanted to see us, I hope you see us in court.